Yo, what's up, guys? I'm a new YouTuber. This is my first video actually. Um, I'm gonna be doing Roblox stuff on this account, like playing Roblox games and stuff. And yeah. Uh, so I'm probably gonna be playing mostly like the Mimic and other scary games. But like, uh, if you guys can comment if you want me to play any other games. Like I can do other games too. But probably gonna be posting a lot of scary content on this account, and sometimes I might do something a little different than Roblox on this account, and that's okay. But yeah. So this was just supposed to be like a short little video, but um, I might as well just do chapter one of Mimic. Um, by the way, guys, I'm really bad at it, so don't get mad at me. I get scared easily, but um, that's the fun of it. I love getting scared. So I haven't played anything but the first chapter. This is chapter 4, and it's only on normal. I usually play on super difficult. Um, just because, see, like I get scared easily, but I love scary stuff. Like there's nothing that gives me that. There's nothing more fun to me than something that is really scary. I feel like this game is like the perfect representation of that. Some people don't think this game is kind of pretty scary. It's a Roblox game, but first person Roblox with good graphics. It can be, for me, it can be kind of scary sometimes. Actually, turn my graphics up a little bit. It's just that I don't want it super laggy. When they're all the way down, they're not really laggy. So if we can get loaded into a game, that'd be nice. Seems like this guy's not really wanting to start it, so that is fine with me. We'll join a new one. Join. I usually play alone, but I say start it. Oh, never mind. I didn't have to say it. Oh, up chapter. I mean, I hope chapter 4 is scary. Like, I was kind of scared for it. Let me turn off my light a little bit. Sorry about that. Temptation comes at a price. I wasn't able to read that. Warning, guys. Game contains flashing lights and jump scares. Press F or D down for a light. Okay. Chapter 4. We're in a house. Hey, yo, we got the drip. I need to find some shoes. Mom, Dad. Okay, so that's kind of a creepy picture. I don't know why they would have that. Yeah, I'm gonna need to turn my graphics down a little bit. Kind of already seeing the lag. See that, guys? It's way better now. Go first, head first in the basement. Never mind. So, well, nothing to do out here, it seems. Creepy vibe, but it's cool. Close that door. Don't want anyone getting in here. Um, I like this car actually, and this car's pretty nice. This car, I hate it, but this car is like actually really nice. To break this, yeah, this game is weird when you're playing with other people. That's what I like about it. Break, like I don't know what we're trying to break. Oh, oh, what was that? So you guys wanna say hi to? Said hi. What kind of sick nightmare is this? Well, all my siblings are in it, so it's fine. Chill, Flux. What? Uh, crazy person. Shout out to Logan. What's his real name? And let's see. Shout out to Jeff the kill is back. Jeff the kill is back. Shout out to him. Okay. Anything here I can get? Oh, that's a crowbar. No, I'm clipping that. Um, not going down there yet. Where's my team? Just go back up. Um, follow me. We going down. There we go. Hmm. Hey, what's up? Weird mannequins. I wonder why you can't sprint. Huh? Screen went black. Aztec Empire, La Quinta. Getting deja vu. This must be my high school. Yo, I better save my stamina because now you can run. What the heck? Yo, that's kind of creepy, but you just follow. Let me just follow. Chad, it's obviously played this before. Find all keys and collect the butterfly spirits around the school. Okay. Mm. No. Why is there a heartbeat? And why is there lockers? That just means we're gonna be running from something. What's that? What's that? Close that door. What is that shaking? Yo, what is that shaking? Yo, he's got the Gucci bag. Ah! Okay, that's not good. Ah! Can't come in here. Ah! Oh, ooh. He can definitely come in there. I'm not doing that again. Yo, Quandale. Yo, Quandale Dingle, is that you with that long ass nose? Yo, come on, guys. It's not even. It's not scary. It's not scary. It's only scary the first time. It's one of those kind of things. This level is not scary at all. Never mind. Never mind. I lied. I lied. I lied. I lied. I lied. Oh, dang! That man runs fast. I'm just going to the restroom. I gotta take a dump. Okay. Okay. We need to find butterflies. Mom, Dad, where are ya? Just run. Get this. A butterfly? Let's go. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Mhm.